So today on our actual channel for our company Mix Media Group, we just got our first copyright strike from our video which made how to install EngineTweaks. We have one copyright strike. Now this is due to EngineTweaks taking down our video. They took it down. So look here, this was manually detected. So EngineTweaks read and saw this video. So we have a strike and it's been removed from YouTube. I can view it still. But yeah, it's off of YouTube. If our ads, everything. But that's not going to be our issue. Today we're going to be installing EngineTweaks, not EngineTweaks. EngineTweaks. Yeah, stay tuned. EngineTweaks. Not EngineTweaks, but it's EngineTweaks.
We're totally not using EngineTweaks, and we are not affiliated IWHT Imagine EngineTweaks.
EngineTweaks. Under 5 or 4 minutes. Let's go. Go to our GitHub repository, link in the description. Go ahead and download it. It's gonna be named EngineTweaks, not EngineTweaks, but EngineTweaks. Engine. Download the platform which download the installer that supports your OS, or just get the manual installers by just look at your releases. Afterwards, once you get it, enter in the password. The password will be EngineTweaks. Otherwise, just look there. The password will be EngineTweaks. Let it mount. Copy the packages to your downloads. Open this in TamperMonkey. Download TamperMonkey from the Google Chrome Web Store. Go into create a new script. Go ahead and open up the script that you want. For example, video speeder. Paste it. Save. Done. If you want to get EngineTweaks, it's spelled wrong. EngineTweaks, not EngineTweaks, but EngineTweaks, everybody. Take it from me. EngineTweaks. Let's copy. Copy what's under the text into TamperMonkey. She does the best. EngineTweaks, not engine. It's EngineTweaks, everybody. EngineTweaks. Afterwards, you successfully have EngineTweaks. EngineTweaks here. Successfully. You do. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Like. Thank you.